Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Nebloo Healthy, your trusted source for health and wellness. My name is Nebloo Leon. Here on this channel, we post video every day from Monday to Saturday between 8 and 11 a.m. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions worldwide: diabetes prevention. Did you know that the foods you eat can play a pivotal role in reducing your risk of diabetes? If you're eager to take control of your health and embrace a diabetes-free future, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 15 incredible foods that can naturally help you prevent diabetes and maintain optimal well-being. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our empowering content. Let's take a proactive step towards diabetes prevention. Before we delve into the world of diabetes-fighting foods, let's understand the importance of diabetes prevention. Diabetes is a serious health condition that can lead to various complications. However, the good news is that you have the power to lower your risk through a balanced diet and lifestyle. Today, we'll focus on 15 foods that can be your allies in the fight against diabetes. Our first diabetes-fighting food group is berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. They are rich in antioxidants, which help combat inflammation and stabilize blood sugar. By incorporating these delicious fruits into your diet, you'll support better blood sugar control and overall health. Next up, we have leafy greens, spinach, kale, and collard greens. They're high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar. Leafy greens are versatile ingredients that can enhance your meals while promoting diabetes prevention. Moving on to oats, they're packed with complex carbohydrates and soluble fiber. Oats help stabilize blood sugar levels and provide long-lasting energy. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal is a smart choice for diabetes prevention. Cinnamon is a spice that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Adding cinnamon to your meals or beverages can be a flavorful way to support blood sugar control. Now let's talk about fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and promote heart health. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet can help reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are packed with healthy fats. These fats can improve insulin sensitivity and support heart health. Snacking on a handful of nuts can be a nutritious choice for diabetes prevention. Legumes for protein and fiber. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas are nutritional powerhouses. They provide protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that contribute to stable blood sugar levels. Including legumes in your meals can help control hunger and improve insulin sensitivity. Greek yogurt for probiotics. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, the good bacteria that support gut health. A healthy gut is linked to better blood sugar control. Choosing Greek yogurt with live and active cultures can be a tasty way to enhance your diabetes prevention efforts. Vinegar for blood sugar. Regular vinegar, particularly apple cider vinegar, has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Incorporating vinegar into your salads or diluting it with water can be a simple yet effective strategy for diabetes prevention. Turmeric for anti-inflammation. Turmeric is a spice known for its anti-inflammatory properties thanks to its active compound, curcumin. It may help reduce insulin resistance and lower blood sugar levels. Include shots of turmeric powder and turmeric-based dishes. Spicing up your meals with turmeric can contribute to your diabetes prevention journey. Garlic for heart health. Garlic, a beloved ingredient in various cuisines, can benefit both heart health and diabetes prevention. It helps improve insulin sensitivity. Including garlic in your cooking can add flavor and nutritional value to your meals while supporting diabetes prevention. Quinoa for whole grains. Quinoa is a whole grain packed with fiber and protein. It's an excellent alternative to refined grains and can help regulate blood sugar. Include visuals of cooked quinoa and quinoa-based recipes. Swapping out refined grains for quinoa can be a smart move for diabetes prevention. Tomatoes for lycopene. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Lycopene also supports heart health. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet can be a flavorful way to work towards diabetes prevention. Broccoli for fiber and nutrients. Last but not least, we have broccoli, a nutrient-dense vegetable rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's a low-calorie option that can support healthy blood sugar levels. Include shots of broccoli florets and broccoli-based dishes. Adding broccoli to your meals can provide essential nutrients while aiding in diabetes prevention. Return to the vibrant farmer's market or kitchen setting from the intro. And there you have it. 15 remarkable foods that can help you on your journey to prevent diabetes naturally. Remember, your diet plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. Please, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear which of these diabetes-fighting foods you're excited to incorporate into your meals. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this path to better health. If you found this video informative and valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who may benefit from it. Together, we can make a positive impact on our health. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey towards diabetes prevention through the power of food. We've covered just a few of the many foods that can help prevent diabetes. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats is key to maintaining optimal health. Stay tuned for more empowering content from Nebloo Healthy. Again, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Together, we can take control of our health and prevent diabetes. Thank you for watching. Happy New Year!